Welcome back. Today we'll be discussing the common electrical mistakes and more importantly how to avoid them. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or simply want to be more informed about electrical safety, this video is for you. We'll dive into the most common mistakes people make when dealing with electricity and provide practical solutions to ensure your home remains hazard-free. So let's get started. One of the most common mistakes people make is overloading circuits. This occurs when you plug in too many devices or appliances into a single outlet or circuit. It can lead to overheating, tripped breakers, or even electrical fires. To avoid this, distribute your electrical load evenly across multiple circuits and use power strips to built-in surge protectors. Neglecting grounding is a mistake that can have serious consequences. Grounding provides a safe path for electrical currents to flow in case of a fault. Without proper grounding, you risk electrical shocks and damage to your appliances. Ensure that your outlets, switches, and electrical panels are properly grounded. Short wires can give an impression of hazardness and lack of professionalism, which is something we should strive to avoid. When wires are stretched or strained due to their inadequate length, they become more prone to damage. This can lead to short circuits, overheating, or electrical fires, putting both property and lives at risk. This is a common mistake that a lot of people make, so you can make at least 3 to 4 inches wires from the wall, so you can easily manage your conductors into the junction box or outlet. It is crucial to ensure that wires are of sufficient length to maintain safety standards and prevent potential accidents. If you short too much your wires, you can use Vago terminals for easy and secure connection. Using light bulbs with incorrect wattage is a mistake that can lead to overheating and potentially cause a fire. Always check the recommended wattage for your fixtures and ensure that you use bulbs that match the specified wattage. If you are unsure, refer to the manufacturer's guidelines or consult an electrician. Multimeter is absolutely the must-have tool for every electrician and household, and improper use of this device can cause electrical shock if you work with high voltage. Let's see example if you took one probe on the hot side to test the outlet. The other side has voltage, so if you touch the other probe with your fingers, you will close the electrical circuit and you can suffer from electrical shock. So be aware of this tip, take it easy and follow the instructions that is written on the multimeter box. Poor wire management is not only unsightly but also hazardous. Leaving wires exposed or tangled increases the risk of accidental damage, electrical shorts, and tripping hazards. Take the time to organize and secure your wires properly using cable management solutions like clips, ties, or conduit. Neglecting to install GFCI outlets in wet areas such as bathrooms, kitchens, or outdoor spaces is a critical mistake. GFCI outlets are designed to protect against electrical shocks in areas where water is present. Ensure that you have GFCI outlets installed in these locations to prioritize safety. This is also a common mistake that everyone makes, so make sure that your outdoor cables should have been put into the rubber hose to save them from rats, dogs, trampling, bending, etc. Rubber hoses came in different sizes, so you can choose from smaller ones for one cable or big ones, rubber hoses for a bunch of cables. A lot of electricians make a lot of mistakes by don't double checking their work, and that can lead to accidents, electrical shocks and fire, so make sure to check your work before you finish it. Remember, electrical safety is not something to be taken lightly. If you're unsure about any electrical work or encounter complex issues, it's always best to consult a licensed electrician. Your safety and the safety of those around you should always be the top priority. We also want to hear from you. Have you ever encountered any electrical mishaps or learned valuable lessons along the way? Share your experience and tips in the comments below. Together we can create a supportive and knowledgeable community. If you found this video helpful, we'd love to have you join our community of fellow creators. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks.